course, we're developing yung old terminal. We're converting it into a museum. So that's one. We're developing Samal Island. We're developing yung dun po sa Butuan din. And then the Tinuyuan Falls sa may Surigao del Sur. Tama ba ako? So kung ano po ang maitutulong ko for Mindanao, I think it's more on a strong campaign pa for when it comes to tourism. We have to really make a strong push or double the effort for our campaign, not only for the funds but for the strategies. Kami po, almost 40% of our budget on our agency talagang every year is allocated in Mindanao. And so it's 30% in Luzon, 30% in Central Philippines, and then 40% for Mindanao. So I think for us, for our agency, masasabi ko po, hindi po, there's no disparity na masasabi natin. Hindi po naiiwan. Actually, talagang hinahabol po natin, and ito po makikita natin lahat ng mga kalsadang ginagawa, mga bridges na ginagawa, mga development for tourism. I can only say for tourism kasi yun lang po ang ahensyang pinanggagalingan ko, and right now yung mga share of tourists ay mataas na rin po coming from Mindanao, also from Davao City is contributing.